if you don't go to work, you don't get paid. If you don't get paid, you lose your job. If you lose your job, what happens? You lose your home. What did you just say before? What was the real thing that you said? No, look around. There's no kids here. Are there kids here? Okay, by the way, you paid to come here, so you're allowed to curse as much as you want, okay? All right, so you lose your what? Oh my God, I've never heard that word before. But when one of your 3-year-olds does it, it's like, oh, that's fun. Oh no. You lose your stuff, you get kicked out of your house, you're homeless, keep on going. All these different things. But in our mind, because we feel like we have to go to work, how many of you have to pay your electricity or heat bill or your air conditioning bill? What if I asked you to try on, you don't have to go to work, you get to. You don't have to pay your electricity bill, you get to. Do you know anybody in your life that wishes they could get to go to work? Do you know anybody in your life that wishes that they could get to pay an electricity bill so that they can get to have air conditioning? See, a lot of the things that we do is we become victims in our own mind. And when we say things like, I have to go, while you're writing, like we say things, I have to go to work. And then while you're writing the check out or making the payment for your electricity bill, your heat bill, or whatever it is, your mind is going, I have to pay this, I have to pay that, I could be spending this money on something else. And then you make yourself upset in your own mind. And then you become a victim of your own mind.